Today I will show how to animate the motion study. This is the complete solar project. I made it step by step. This is the gear, spark gear, and with the bearing. This is the pinion, and this is connected by the coupling and with the motors. And this is the linear motion mechanism. It will convert the linear motion, and I will set this motor on this small motor, and this is the solar panel. Okay, now I will apply the electrical force by the motor. Okay, now at first go to this motion study, click this motion study and go to this and choose this animation and just click there and just show. And now I will apply the electric force on by the motor. So just go to this motor and select this motor, just select this. I select this point and choose this rotary motor and just drag it. I will choose 100 rpm. Okay, and just click OK, and I'll up this 14 second. Okay, now I'll apply this, just drag this and minimize this. Now see, now this is the big project. So just see, just I apply this play from start. Now it is playing. Now see, it is moving 360 degree. Now see, it is moving 360 degree. Okay, yeah, now again apply this, just see it is moving 360 degree or not. Just click this apply play. Now see, it is moving 360 degree, and sometimes we will move this linear, yeah, 180 degree to 90 degree. Okay, now see, yeah, you can speed, low speed, you can set this. Just see, it is moving. It will move the two position. Now it is moving 360 degree, then again you will move 180 and 90 degree. This is the 360 degree movement. Okay. Okay. Now I will apply linear force for this linear motion. Just see, it will move this linearly. At first I will apply 360 degree moving. Now it will move this in this position. Actually it will work in two position. Okay. Now see, at first go to this motion study. Yes, just click this, just drag it and little drag it upward and see, and just little drag it and apply. Just go to this motor and choose the motor. I'll apply this position and just choose this 100 rpm. Okay, and it will be rotary motor. Okay, now see, and just click this OK. Just see, drag it little in this position. Just I will keep this 14 second. Okay, and just minimize this and this. I am minimizing just for clear understand. So just now apply this, play start. Now see it is moving. Yeah. Now see it is moving linearly. Yes, you can change this any the position. You can change this degree of position. Now I select this position. Okay, now see, yes, now see, this is the position. Okay, yeah, it is working in the two position. At first we will move this linear, vertical and horizontal, then we will move is 360 degree. Okay, Thank you for watching.